Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about the how to run the cron jobs in the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we are using the package which is Node-Cron. Okay, so you have to install this package. And how to run the cron jobs, just cron.schedule, and this is your schedule. Okay, whether it's to be a minute, seconds, hours, day, particular day, you can schedule over here. Okay, and if I go and just run this one, okay, so just this is Node-Cron, and I'm going to run it every 5 minutes or make it a star for every minute. Okay, save this. Let's make another this one for every minute. Okay, so make it like every minute. Let's go to the terminal and node cron, so it will run for every minute. Okay, here you can see that. Meanwhile, let's learn the expressions. Okay, so here we have the expression of all. So first star means day of the week, second month, any month, third one day of the month, hours, minutes and the seconds. Okay, if you want to stop the job, then you can task dot stop. If you want to start it again, then task dot start. Okay, this will help you to start and restart again your job. Okay, so let's see it print the cron job is running every minute, right? So this is how, if you want to make a backup, then you can use the cron job. If you want to make it something like particular day, time zone, then you can also take the backup of that one, because in the documentation of the Node-Cron, here you can see that the number of downloads is also very good. Okay, so we can use this package, right? And here we go with our scheduling. So you can schedule this one using the ranges. You can do like running every minute from 1 to 5, so you can run like this. If you want to using names, you can use the names also, like January, September you want to run. Okay, with short names you can also run. Cron methods, we have a schedules given task to be executed where the cron expression ticks. So here we have the schedule, a boolean to set created task is scheduled, default true. Default is true. If you want to set it with a particular time zone, you can also set running a job at 1 a.m. with this time zone. Okay, schedule true, time zone this. So if you want to run this kind of schedule task, you can also run this one. Then we have a schedule task method, that is a start for starting the task. Okay, for stopping the task, that is the task won't be executed unless it is restarted. Okay, then we have a validate method that given a string the valid cron expression or not. Okay, so this is all about the node cron and how to set up the cron jobs into your node application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.